So in this example, we're going to learn how to sketch modulus graph. So let's look at question 1. Sketch the graph of y equals to modulus 2x minus 2 for the domain minus 1 to 3. So they give us a domain, that means we only draw for the domain. So let's get started. So do not draw the modulus first. So we'll let y1 equals to 2x minus 2, and we shall plot the extreme. Linear one, we just need to know the extreme. The extreme values are x, y, and we are told to plot from minus 1, 3, minus 1, 3. So sub it in, here give me negative 4 and give me 4. So okay, negative 1 to 4. So my x value when it's negative 1 is, the y value is negative 4. Okay, and my when x is 3, the y value is 4. Okay, so draw without the modulus first. You must know where, beside that you must know where the curve, the line intersect the x-axis. So the line intersect x-axis, y is 0, so therefore this is 1. 2x minus 2 equals 0, which give me x is 1. So now that we have done that, the y-intercept is, ouch, give me a minute. Okay, the y-intercept we know is negative 2. Negative 2, and modulus reflect up, so negative reflected will be, give me 2, and this point reflect will give me here. So drop away the part that is below the curve, the x-axis. So this is my answer. I'm going to use another color to show you the final answer. So this is a graph of modulus 2x minus 2 for the given domain from minus 1 to 3. So you must not overshoot your range. So now your domain. So the range is refers to the y value. The lowest y value is 0 and the highest y value is 4. So the range of y will be between 0 and 4 inclusive. Okay, so that's the first one. Let's look at another question. Let's look at question number 3. Sketch a graph of 1 minus modulus 2x minus 5. So we must start by drawing. We must start by doing the part of the curve which is inside the modulus 2x minus 5. So let y1 equals to 2x minus 5. Hold on please. Okay, we are asked to sketch this graph from minus 3 to 5. So x, y, negative 3 and 5. Negative 3 and 5. So when x is negative 3, y equals to negative 11. When x is 5, okay, so y will be 5. So I'm going to draw it. Okay, so the intercept is at 5 over 2, and we end at 5 and we start at negative 3. So negative 11 and 5. So it's a straight line which cuts the intercept at negative 5. So when you reflect it up, this point will be reflected to here, and negative 3 will be reflected to 11. Okay, so I use a red marker. Okay, but the question asks for negative or modulus, so that means it's reflected down. So we're going to reflect it down. Okay, reflect it down, and beside reflecting now, it's supposed to add 1 to it. Okay, so add 1 to it, so you shift it up by 1 unit. Okay, let's use another color. We're going to shift the graph. So this is a graph of y equals to negative modulus 2x minus 5. Okay, then we must add 1 to it. Okay, add 1 to it. That means this graph, the red color one, will be moved up by 1 unit. So how do we do that? So negative 10 and this 0 will shift up to 1, and this negative 5 will shift up to negative 4, and this is negative 5 shift up to negative 4. Okay, so this green color one will be your final answer, y equals to 1 minus 2x minus 5. Okay, so that's another example. For questions which are quadratic, you must use the completing the square method or the line of symmetry method to sketch the graph inside the modulus first, then reflect up or reflect down according to the case. Okay, that's the end of the example.